Hello, and welcome to another JobPro tutorial. Today we will be reviewing the Scheduler feature. Here at JobPro, our goal is to make it as easy as possible for you to run your business. One of the ways we do that is through our Scheduler, where you can not only schedule your jobs, but assign equipment and crews, print work orders, and see a bird's eye view of each job that is scheduled for a specific day. Let's get started. To access the scheduler, navigate to the Entry drop-down and choose Scheduler. This will open the scheduler up in a new window. As you can see, this scheduler has been opened to the week view, but there are a total of 4 views you can choose from. These options are found in the 4 orange buttons in the top right-hand side of the screen. You can choose between the month, week, day, or dispatch views. Since we are already here, let's start by looking at the week view. There are 2 additional ways to view this schedule within the week view. There are the equipment and the crew views. Right now, we are looking at the crew view. This means that each individual crew that has been assigned to a job will appear here on the left-hand side, allowing you to easily view that crew's assigned jobs for the week. To schedule a job, simply use the search criteria on the right-hand side to find the job you need and drag and drop that job onto the day it needs to be scheduled. If you are unsure which crew will be assigned to this job, you can simply drop it into the unassigned section. However, if you know which crew is going to be assigned, you can simply drop it into that crew's section. To switch to the equipment view, click the blue Show Equipment View button at the top of the page. The equipment view allows you to schedule a job to a specific piece of equipment and add in your crew members as you go. You are able to schedule your jobs in the same way with the drag and drop function, only this time you will choose between the unassigned section or any of the other available equipment. When you are ready to schedule your crew members, you will simply choose the employee from the left-hand side and drag and drop them onto the equipment and day they need to be scheduled. One of the unique features of this view is that you can filter down which jobs you see by the employee that has been assigned. For example, if you'd like to only see which jobs Jacob has been assigned to, simply click the checkbox next to his name and only his jobs will display for the week. Just to note, there are a few functions that work the same in each of these views. As you can see here, there are 4 additional blue buttons next to the view options. These allow you to determine how much information is displayed on your schedule. Simply click each option to add or remove it from the job details. If you hover over the financial and material options, you can see the totals you can expect from the jobs that have been scheduled for this week. If you right-click on a specific job, you'll have the option to open this job page in JobPro, print a work order, edit or delete that entry. When you choose Edit, a pop-up screen will appear where you can edit the start and end dates, add a description, change the job status, add priority notes, or edit the assigned crew. You can also choose to filter your calendar by a variety of different choices through the filter icon at the top of the page. From here, you can filter by job status, job type, bid type, office, and salesperson. You can also choose to have your jobs color-coded on your schedule. Here you can choose to view by salesperson, job status, job type, or office color codes. These colors are assigned through different features within your system. If you'd like more information on how you can set these up, contact your JobPro support team today. Now let's look at the other views our scheduler has to offer. In the month view, you can see how many jobs, deliveries, or bids you have scheduled throughout the month. On the day view, you can see all the jobs scheduled for that specific day, and you can also schedule jobs through this view by using the same drag and drop features that is used in the week view. Finally, the dispatch view contains a map that allows you to view the physical location of each of the jobs you have scheduled for that day. As long as the jobs have a valid address included, a balloon will appear on that specific location. This bird's eye view of the day's scheduled jobs helps determine how you'd like to dispatch your crews for the day. That is going to wrap up our tutorial on JobPro's scheduler feature. If you have any questions, please reach out to your JobPro support team today. You can call us at 704-584-4019, submit a ticket through our new support portal, or email us at support@jobprotech.com. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.